This is Shivalsa speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter mensuration, in which exercise 10.1, chapter 10 mensuration, in which we have already discussed about various concepts of perimeter and area, and we used to deal with the figure, triangle, rectangle, the concept of perimeter. These things we have learned very nicely. So children, here in this particular video, we will discuss about the remaining questions of this particular exercise. Exercise 10.1, question number 11. Let us have a look. In question number 11, the question is given that a piece of string is 30 centimeter long. Suppose this is a piece of string. The length of the string is 30 centimeter. So using this string, we have to form a square. The first question is square. The next one is equilateral triangle, and the third one is regular hexagon. Children, before we go to this question, to solve this question, we need to understand what are the basic properties of a square. Square is a quadrilateral or a polygon, four-sided polygon in which the measure of all four sides are equal. I repeat, the measure of all four sides are equal. So here, if I'm using a string of length 30 centimeter, so of course this string will be, used to bend to form a shape of a square, will be all equal sides, will be in equal measures. So here, if it is the measure of this string is 30 centimeter, so sum of all the sides of this square will be 30 centimeter only, because neither I'm cutting it or I'm adding into it. I'm doing nothing with this string. I'm just bending the string into shape of a square. So here, so we can simply say the perimeter of the square is equal to 30 centimeter. The perimeter of this square is 30 centimeter. Now, the measure of each side of the square is equal to 30 divided by 4. Why 30 divided by 4? Because sum of all four sides is 30 centimeter and all four sides are equal. So in order to find the measure of one single side of the square, you have to just divide the perimeter with the number of sides. 2 to the 4, 15 to the 30, 15 by 2. 15 by 2 is 7.5. 7.5 centimeter is the measure of each side of this square. I believe it's clear to everyone. We have to divide the perimeter by the number of sides. So perimeter is 30 over here, and the number of sides are 4. So we are dividing it in order to get the measure of one single side of the square. Now children, we'll have to rebend it into an equilateral triangle. So now I'll just use the same piece of string, that is 30 centimeter, and I'll just give a shape of a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So the basic property of an equilateral triangle is the measure of all three sides, 1, 2, 3. The measure of all three sides are equal. The measure of all three sides are equal. So here, the length of the string is 30 centimeter, will be rebent into shape of a equilateral triangle. So the measure of each side will be, as we can write simply, perimeter. So the perimeter is equal to 30 centimeter, children. So the measure of each side, is equal to 30 divided by 3. Why am I dividing it by 3? Because there are 3 equal sides. So here 30 divided by 3 is 10. 10 centimeter is a measure of each side of this equilateral triangle. I believe it's clear to everyone. Now the next part of it is we have to form a shape of a regular hexagon. Children, similar process to be used. Regular hexagon means all 6 sides 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a regular hexagon. Perimeter is 30 only. And there are 6 equal sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the measure of each side is equal to perimeter divided by 6. The number of sides. 5, 6 are 30. So the measure of each side will be 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter like this. The measure of all 6 sides will be 5 centimeter. Regular hexagon means a polygon in which there are 6 sides and 6 angles. I believe it's clear to everyone. So children, please do practice this similar. I'll make another video for the remaining questions. If there are any confusions or doubts, please feel free to speak to me. The remaining questions are of similar pattern. These are similar pattern questions. These are very easy concept. Till then, thank you so much children. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye-bye.